Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate beast mode on your Android device. What's up guys, Bbek here, and if you guys like this video then leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, let's get this started. So alright guys, so first step to activating beast mode or making your Android device faster is by removing bloatware or disabling or uninstalling unwanted apps. Now some of the apps can be automatically running in the background using up your system resources, which can definitely slow down your phone. So to disable them or to remove them, go to the settings and in apps. Now we are going to be taken a list of where we can actually see all the applications that are installed on your device. So now you can go through all these applications and disable pre-installed apps or uninstall unwanted apps. So it may help to boost your performance of your device. Next up here, you can drastically speed up your phone performance by just reducing the animation time. So the default setting on your phone will be made so that it gives you kind of slick and smooth experience, but not a fast one. So it's simple too, because all you have to do is go to the settings, tap on the build number or 7 times, and then it will unlock developer option, and from there it's just a click away. So just go to the developer option and scroll down, then you can completely turn off animation, or you might want to just set it to 0.5x for your for a little bit smooth performance. Moving on, if your device sports a fingerprint scanner, sometimes the device does not recognize your finger, whether that's because of you were too quick or you are actually putting the finger in a wrong placement that it did not recognize. So you are gonna go ahead and add more fingerprint so that to reduce the amount of times that it does not recognize your fingerprint. So adding the same fingerprint on each and every different direction that you possibly can. That way you have a limited chance of slowing or not recognizing your fingerprint by your device and contribute all over performance of your device. Now head to the developer option, and then from here tap on the running system option, where you'll get a list of apps that are currently using up RAM. Now a lot of these applications are system applications that you need in order to run your phone, or they are apps that you use often so that to justify they are using up RAM. But sometimes there are those few applications that you install and kind of forget about, and that end up using up RAM even though you rarely even use them. So those are the applications that we are looking for here. So take those applications and completely uninstall them from your device, which might boost off a system performance or user experience of your device. So last one here is that if you are using Samsung's top-end devices, then you have an option to lower down the resolution, which boosts both your battery life and gaming performance, as your device needs comparatively less pixel to push. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. In that case, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. It's me, Bbek, signing out. You guys have a great day. Peace.